It is with a heavy heart that we have to be addressing you today, looking at the events which took place yesterday. It is so unfortunate that we had to lose lives. We offer our condolences to the relatives of the deceased. We had held our elections in a very peaceful environment, and we're hoping that that situation would have obtained until the announcement of the results and post the announcement of results. We appeal to our colleagues in the opposition to ensure that their supporters maintain the calmness which existed when people went to vote. It is our hope as Zimbabweans that we accept that we belong to different political parties, but no life should be lost as a result of our political differences. We are all eagerly waiting for the results to be announced. We as a party, we are obviously very pleased that the results announced by iZEC so far show that we achieved more than 2/3 majority in the parliamentary elections. We are expecting that these results become a reflection of what we're expecting from the presidential elections. We appeal to all Zimbabweans and our supporters in particular that they should exercise maximum restraint like they did yesterday in the face of any provocation from any quarter. We appealed to our supporters yesterday when the Chamisa-led FDC started provoking them to exercise restraint. That they did, and we are happy that they were not involved in any political fracas yesterday.